Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff here, and in today's lesson we're going to be doing an aggressive shakes edit. So to begin, we're going to head on over here to our modify tab. We're going to click on that and we're going to change the frame rate to 60 FPS and hit save. Now that's going to make our whole edit much more smoother, right guys? So next up, we're going to be bringing in the soundtrack that we'd like to use, and we're going to head on over to Automark Beats and hit Beats 2. Okay, so next up, we're going to bring in our first clip, and I'm just going to bring this clip down to our first beat. So I'm just going to trim it down there to the first beat right there. And I'm going to bring in another clip and maybe a third one for the edit. All right. So next up, we're going to be doing some zoom keyframing. So we're going to click on our first clip and we're going to bring our playhead right here to the beginning of the clip. We're next going to head on over here to scale and we're going to activate that keyframe. Next, we're going to be bringing in the slider all the way to the end of the clip right there. And we're going to zoom in, and you can zoom in as much as you want, guys. All right. So hit Alt and K when you're done and go here to preset curves and hit ease in. And click off the window and hit Alt and K to close up the graph editor. So we're going to do the same thing to the next clips as well. Bring the playhead to the start there, hit scale, and we're going to bring it to the end, scale up, zoom in as much as you want, hit Alt and K, preset curves, ease in, right? Alt and K as well. I didn't actually want to fast forward this scene here, guys, because if those of you that are new to CapCut, you really want to learn, it's good to do some rinse and repeat work right here. So it could get you some good training, you know. If you repetitively do something over and over, you'll gain a great experience and you will master it eventually. Okay, so great. Now if we play our clips back, you'll see things look already cinematic right there. Okay, so next up, we're going to be bringing in an effect that we like to use. We're going to go to the effects panel right here. We're going to click on video effects. We're going to hit the search bar right there, and we're going to type in shake. So shake is going to be the effect that we're going to be adding into our timeline right there. So we're going to click and drag it into our timeline. And I'm going to trim this down right here to the end of our first clip. Okay, so the shake effect is actually covering that whole clip right there. So now I'm going to keyframe the shake effect, right? So I'm going to click on the shake effect right there, go towards the beginning of that shake effect. I'm going to activate keyframes for it. And I'm now going to bring the player towards the end right there. And I'm going to put all these effects off. I'm going to bring it all the way down. Okay, next I'm going to hit Alt and drag to the right to make a duplicate of that keyframed effect. All right, hold Alt, drag to the right, and just bring it in. So now that shake effect is covering all our clips right there. Next up, we're going to head on over to the transitions tab, and we're going to look for a transition called, we're going to go to this blur menu right here, right? So the transition is called vertical blur. So when we're dragging a transition, we need to put it in between these two clips, all right, where the two clips meet. So we bring that in. So now we don't need to keep dragging. We can just actually hit apply to all, and CapCut will apply the transition across all of the clips right there. Okay. So the last and final thing we need to do is we're going to click on our first clip. We're going to head on over here to animation, and we're going to come down here to swing right. Okay. We're going to select swing right, and we're going to make it 2 seconds. All right. Right there. We're going to do the same for the next clip. Hit swing right, come down to 2 seconds. Right. Last clip, swing right, and 2 seconds right there. Okay, so now if you play things back, your aggressive shakes is done, right? One more time, there we go. All right, so now you can get out there and show everybody your talent, guys. So yeah, if you liked the tutorial and you had fun out here, guys, please do make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, if you're experiencing any challenges with the edit, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. All right, so I will see you in the next one.